my favorite place in the world, my corner, my kitchen. So today you're going to help me to make my lunch for tomorrow and my lunch for today. Because I really believe that the only way to keep healthy is planning. So today we are making a grilled salad with some chicken steaks. First of all, we have to turn our chicken breasts into steaks. So I'm gonna get chopping board and 2 chicken breasts. I'm gonna open in them to look. And now it's time to flavor these. So the first thing, salt. Pepper. I like them a little bit spicy, so I'm gonna add a bit of chili powder. And some garlic powder. Now, I'm going to use some vegetable flavor. And push all these flavors in. With some hard love. So these really gonna help our chicken to tenderize and really help with the seasoning, because I'll be pushing all this flavor into the meat. So here we have 1 steak. Same thing to the second one. Last thing I like to do is to add some lemon zest. The oils of the lemon will really change the flavor of the chicken while it's grilling. And now we're gonna start preparing our vegetables. So then let's turn the heat on. You want a very hot grilling pan. So I found these little zucchinis in the market today. They looked so fresh. So I'm using these. Because we have to think about tender vegetables when we are grilling them. I'm also gonna use it for And now the important thing with grilling vegetables is to make sure that they're not gonna stick. So we should add some olive oil and some salt in it. So, salt for the seasoning, olive oil. lime. So I'm gonna use spinach for the base of my salad today. I really prefer to use darker leaves in my salads. These are full of nutrients and really full of flavor. So we have check our vegetables. Getting them there. These beautiful circle marks. The tomatoes are really sensitive, so the idea is just to mark them and take them off. It's just to give it some edge. Don't need much time, they just need enough time to get that charcoal mark on it, and they will become softer. Now I'm gonna grill as well some mushrooms. I'm using a mix of mushrooms. These mushrooms gonna work like a sponge. They will suck up all the flavor from the dressing, and every time you put some of them in the mouth, they will explode, giving you so much flavor. So now we're gonna get our chicken steaks in. Just put some oil on. I would do these ones for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Putting meat in the house always makes it a little bit smoky. Just make sure you have a good window open. We're going to chop our mushrooms. And now, let's add a lot of flavor to these grilled vegetables. I'm going to add some coriander. I love coriander in these salads. They are really, really, really fresh. Now let's add some garlic. You can do onions as well. I really like the flavor of the strong garlic in this. Really sharp vegetables. So hot meat acts as a sponge. So the good thing is to add any flavors you would like to the meat while it's warm, and you let it rest for a little bit. So I'm just gonna add a bit of juice of lemon. while we let it rest, let's finish up our salad. Some good olive oil. Vinegar. I'm gonna add some sesame seeds. Let's toss it around. Feel free to try for a taste. What is missing? For me, it's missing a little bit of salt. Vegetables really need salt to push out their flavors. And now we are ready to plate. In this case, to plate and box up. So here for my lunch tomorrow. I haven't seasoned yet my spinach because I don't really want them to be soggy tomorrow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to season the spinach now in my plate. I really like a well-seasoned salad. You have to know that you really have to mix it. If you don't want to do the mistake by just giving it a toss with some weird tongs, put your fingers in, don't worry. These will get all the flavor everywhere. Once my chicken breast and my grilled vegetables are cold, I'll box it up for tomorrow. I don't want the warm food to cook my spinach. Now, my favorite time.